Hi, and welcome to St. Martin's University. Thank you so much for joining us today. My name is Michael Otter Johnson. I'm an admissions counselor here at the university, and I'll be giving you some great updates that we've implemented recently. A little bit about us. We are a small, private, Catholic-affiliated university. If your student is looking for a hands-on learning experience with small classroom sizes, let them know that St. Martin's is definitely a great option and have them apply. Now that we have a full 4-year BSN program in nursing, we are opening up the brand new Nursing Education Center that has been under construction for the past year. The new Nursing Education Center features state-of-the-art nursing learning labs and classrooms. We have our Saints Care program rolling out. It's a student support network that establishes really a single contact point for anyone in our campus community to submit a concern regarding any student on campus. Reports can be submitted by a professor, a staff member, fellow student, or even a parent. The goal of this program is really to ensure that our students are successful and safe while at St. Martin's, and it's a great way to ensure that they're being catered to and heard. I know that one phrase that the university really values is to listen with the ear of your heart, and that shows that our staff and faculty really put their heart and soul into their jobs and making sure our students are really taken care of and heard. The Saints Promise is a 4-year career readiness program, and it'll allow students to really gain experience in finding employment after graduation. Students will have the opportunity to join resume workshops, attend an etiquette dinner, and many other career building activities. If students complete all the requirements of the program and still can't find a job or get into graduate school within 6 months of graduating, St. Martin's will actually provide those students with a guaranteed paid 3-month internship so that the student has more time to search for employment. We are rolling admissions. That means your students will hear back from us within 2 weeks of submitting a complete application. The application does need to include a personal essay, their official high school transcript, a letter of recommendation, and if they choose to submit them, an SAT or ACT test score. And I also wanted to mention that we are a test optional university. Whether students are wanting to take their SAT or ACT scores into account, it's very important for students to mention any rigor, service, and leadership that they've done throughout their high school years. When your students are looking into college, cost is definitely a big topic to consider. When talking to your students, you can let them know that St. Martin's gives a lot of need-based scholarships and financial aid to its students. Here you can see some of the main scholarships that we offer. Our merit scholarships, they range from $5,000 to $23,000 per year. These are determined by the student's GPA, test scores, and any additional information that they submit in their application. Students are required to maintain at least a 2.0 in order to keep these merit scholarships all 4 years. Every scholarship that you see here is renewable for up to 4 years, except for our visit award of $500. If the student comes to visit the school either in person or virtually, they will be eligible to receive that visit award. We also do a great job at sending out your students' financial aid award packages as early as December if they have submitted their FAFSA waiver, or WAFSA application. As part of our tuition costs here, there are a lot of free resources that come along with that. We have a diversity and equity center, tutoring, counseling, printing, and parking is free as well. We do have some changes due to COVID. We're definitely taking this very seriously. The university will take on a hybrid approach this fall, including face-to-face and online options if students prefer online. We are practicing physical distancing and require students to wear face masks when in public. We do have virtual visits available every single day at 2 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, as well as on-campus visits. Our application for fall 2021 is live, and our office is always ready to answer any questions that you or your students might have. Please let your students know to consider St. Martin's as they are beginning their college applications. Thank you so much, and have a great day.